guess this is the YouTube channel.
Yep.
Farina wants to do this. Now it has made me want to do it, just kind of by just saying, let's do it. So I guess we'll start with this. This is a 1992 Nissan 240sx coupe. Simple. Bought it recently with the cage installed, seats. It's a whole rolling shell. Really clean. Extra wheels and stuff I just threw in there. I got this bad bamma jamma with that bad bamma jamma. It's gonna go in this bad bamma jamma. So I got the parts, at least I think I do. I got all this shit for the motor. Figured out. Oil pan gasket for our custom oil pan that's on the roof of the car there. New wires, because you can't go wrong. Like rear main seal, because if everything's apart, even though it didn't look like it was leaking, I'm going to change it. New pulleys, idler pulleys for the front of the motor. That's one. Here's the other. Valve cover gasket seals, because the car that I bought it from was pissing. These gaskets were just pissing right out. They were real bad. I power washed the motor and everything. Looks a lot better now. 8 new spark plugs. Belt, obviously. And the pickup O-ring for the pickup tube in the oil pan. Because if this O-ring goes bad, you lose oil pressure and your engine goes kablamo. And you don't want that. Because then you have to spend thousands of dollars to buy another one of those. Which your boy does not have. Your boy does not have. So, obviously, this is going to be a drift car. This is not my first drift car either. I have another LS swapped 240, which editor Farina will throw in a clip right now. And a screenshot of like the car or something. Beat the hell out of that car, but it's time to make it a little more serious, I guess. With the cage, the other car don't have no cage. This is an LS1. The other car is a 5.3 iron block, both T56, and it works really great. So far, I've done 4 drift events and haven't broken anything yet. So knock on. This car is pretty cool. It's got some upgrades to it already. I mean, it's got some Tine, I don't know how the fuck you say it, coilovers on it, extended lower control arms, modified knuckles from UpFab, which is the same company that I have on my other car. So I know it's good. And it seems like they're rubbing on the inner of the wheels here, so I gotta figure that out real bad. The tie rods, so something's not right with the geometry of the car. Just painted the bay because it was all white. The car's wrapped blue. It's white underneath. It's really rust-free. What else do we got? I guess we can come in. Get over here! Get over here. Sorry for the tight space. I got a very small garage. I don't know why I put accent on it. But the car came with some, oh yeah, fuck yeah, some XXRs. They look like work equips. These XXRs, those XXRs, which have brand new tires, and these XXRs, which have brand new tires on there, which is nice. And it's 5-lug. I only have 4-lug wheels. But it's nice in here if you want to take a look in here. So we got a hydro, dual caliper setup in the rear, came with the car. Gonna have to figure out a steering wheel situation because the stock one isn't gonna cut it. Cricky seats. A beautiful roll cage, like it's real nice. FD spec roll bars, or door bars with anti-intrusion bars down in there, which is nice. What do we got going in the rear? These are some more parts we got for the LS swap to go into the S13. New clutch master, our steering line, all the lines from ISR, just because it's cheap and it works. I mean, some people don't like it, but it is what it is. And then I got some ISR fans. I have them on my other car on a Mishimoto. Have no issues. I also got a nice Koyo Rad dual pass radiator for the new car. That thing's gonna be sick. Now everyone's making fun of me because I got Country Girl on the back of the cars. Now I didn't put that there, but it's gonna stay there because everyone likes making fun of it. So, little fuel cell in the back. Gonna have to run lines and fuel pump and a fuel filter setup, but that's fine. All the battery cables are there. There's a kill switch in the front, battery box, and then underneath it's already got. Let me see. I get down on the ground because I'm dirty. Look at this oil. Fucking Alexei didn't clean up his mess from your oil change. Anyways, so it's got all the Pro ISR arms in there. Well, I guess 2 of them. The third one is just a regular one. Solid subframe bushings. Well, the diff that's fucking leaking. Sweet. Stock lowers, stock knuckles, but as you see, the dual caliper setup, which is nice setup. Got the cobwebs building off the ground. You know it's been there for a while. Anyways, also got oil filter, relocation, an exhaust for the CX Racing headers that I also got. I went with CX Racing mostly because I used it in the other car and it was great. Didn't have any issues clearing anything. And also, this car had an LS1 in it before, and it had these headers, these engine mounts, CX Racing ones, and I don't know where the trans mount is. Somewhere around here. I have no fucking idea. And the trans mount. All was in this car. So I know an LS1 and a T56 will fit in this car with the headers. And I don't have to worry about fitment issues. One day I'll have a garage that's not a one-bay garage that I have no space in. The engine's gonna be crooked AF. It is not in the right spots at all. This needs to be like over there, but maybe I can do that. We don't need those lines anyway. Nope, it didn't lift up any better, but whatever, fuck it. We're doing it live. So, this is, I'll do it like this, here. This is my LS1. It is from a 2001 Chevrolet Camaro. I bought it off of Facebook Marketplace for, how much about? $4,200. Running and driving. I went there and test drove the car. Car had power. Check engine light was on. All the lights on the dash were on. And, but I still figured it would be a good power plant. And the car had 203,000 miles on it, on the chassis. Now the guy said that the engine was changed at some point, doesn't remember when. So that might mean that transmission there is 200,000 miles old, which is a little scary, I'll say. But this engine ran healthy. Said he said it had a new clutch on it. And well, it had a brand new spec clutch on it, and it's got plenty of fucking life on it. Pressure plate's a little beat up, but I'm just gonna beat it up more, so it doesn't matter. But that's a really nice grab. I don't have to buy any clutch setup. Clutch felt great. Kept down on cost, well, some costs. But might pull off the valve covers. I won't be able to pull off this side because of all the tension, but I could drop it down the other side. But pull this side off and see how clean it is on there, or not clean. I believe these are 10. I don't know power tools. I'm not at my work. Gotta do it by hand, the old-fashioned way. That's the coil pack. LS's are easy. These are 8. I think we did it. Ooh, she got some muck in there. A little muck. Dirty. Let me get my phone and get a little light there. She dirty. Everything seems fine. Let's look at this gasket. It's actually a soft gasket. I don't know why this was leaking. Yeah. Changing it anyway. Clean the surface, put a new gasket in there. And I have a scraper. Screwdriver will work. Not the most ideal. Put that right in the motor. Yeah, that's what we want to do. Get me a gasket. Cameraman's got to go over the engine fucking hoist. These air injection. We ain't running no damn air injection. We don't need that shit. Alright, which way does this bitch go? It should not even be the right fucking one, because it does not look like the right fucking gasket at all. There it goes. I was like, it doesn't look like it, but it is. That's good. I'm gonna change these too. That's a big part of it. So I figured out I was being dumb. Instead of trying to fucking fight these stupid gaskets off that are hard as a motherfucking rock, just cut them off. Just don't be an idiot. I don't know why I'm being an idiot. Just don't ask why.
Oh, sorry.
No, keep going.
Yeah, you're good.
No, it fell off so the screen door swung open and smacked the gutter. So that's the other piece of the gutter that's missing.
Strong ass screen door.
Yeah, that screen door's been through a lot. It's been through some shit. Oh, that's not right. Is it off because this chain's hitting it? Totally. I'm gonna have to let it down. I don't know if that counts as a free pass. But I mean, we treat him no differently. How about that?
Oh yeah, Brian's the shit.
No, I don't know if I'm gonna put these down. There's probably a torque spec. Believe it or not, I've been working on cars for 6 years. May not look like it. I haven't torqued a goddamn thing in my life. Well, maybe I have once or twice, but you know. Fucking lines back on. There. Ugly ass things. No, I'm not moving them anywhere. Like people put them like on the side and stuff, so like they're not sticking out of the valve cover. It's a drift car. I don't give a shit what it looks like. Alright. That's one side valve cover done. The other side should be easier. Now then just cut the stupid things off. Yeah, this valve cover was real bad. This is the side that was leaking. It was pissing out. I drove it home. I was hoping I didn't catch on fire. I didn't, thankfully. Actually, pull that out. Now it's loose. Some crud. Definitely some crud. I hope this isn't the 200,000 mile engine. All the rockers are tight, at least. None of them are loose. I don't know. I'm just gonna fucking send it. I'm not gonna give a shit. My right foot is just gonna be to the floor, like it usually is. What do you want? You want the goods?
Yeah.
It's a little cruddy. It's really not bad. I mean, could be worse. Old guy driven. Now this valve cover, let's see. See, it's all soft. Like, I don't know why they were leaking. Although these fucking little grommets here are rock hard, so maybe it was just leaking from there. So pretty much whenever I finish all the shit that's in this box, which actually I don't even have to finish the belt, the wires, or the pulleys or anything. Once I finish that motor can go inside there, which is a huge accomplishment, aka and fucking space, because I ain't got fucking shit in here. Pretty much these things break so easy. Look at that. Yeah, that's no good. Rubber's not supposed to do that. Oh, it's still in there. Nope, it's not over here though. Let's see. I didn't think it was. What the fuck? See, it's like falling out. This shit's gross. See? That's no good. I don't think this is gonna work, but no, it's not. Fuck, dude. No, it's this side. If it's not one side, it's the other side. Oh, yeah. We got all four started. We in there like swimwear. Huh. Oh, wait. Shit. Cars aren't that hard. I mean, the grand scheme of things, yeah, sometimes cars are a pain in the ass. Diagnosing cars are just a shit show. Because usually it's just a shit show on its own. Everything can go wrong. It could be the part that the code gives you, or it could be the fucking computer, and you don't know until you fucking dive into it. It's a pain in the dick. Oh shit! Oh shit! What a burnout!
It went into cruise control in the middle of the
First burnout of the channel.
An electric scooter.
An electric scooter. That's... I don't know if it's a good thing or, you know...
Just gets better from here, dude.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Is it a bad thing or is it a good thing? But, like, even at, like, drift events, like, even, like, there's a lot of young kids there, and, like... It's really cool to see young kids out there with, like, not set up drift cars or anything like that, just trying to go out there and have fun. Like, there was a car at the event or whatever, this clapped out Miata, but it had a turbo on it. It was young kids, there was a bunch of kids with them. It's cool to see that shit. I don't know. Maybe I'm just getting older. Because, like, I didn't go to drift events for, what, like 3 or 4 years because I just didn't have a running driving car, so I never liked it. And you see all these kids, it's like, you don't know nobody, which is weird because, you know, people get out of drifting, but some people stay in drifting, which is awesome. So today we did a little overview on the car. We did a little maintenance on the motor. I think that's a pretty good little start to what we got going on, hopefully, here. And I guess we'll see you later.